HTML comments are notes that you can add inside an HTML document. These comments are not displayed on the web page, but they remain visible in the HTML source code. To add a comment in HTML, begin with a less than sign followed by an exclamation mark and two hyphens with no spaces between them. We can write the comment like main heading of the page. To close the comment, use two hyphens followed by a greater than sign, again with no spaces. You may have noticed that IDE has given the comment closing as soon as we provided the comment starting. Anything placed between these comment markers is treated as a comment by the browser. The comment helps us understand that the H1 element is the main heading of the page. However, the comment itself does not appear in the browser. Only the heading and paragraph are displayed. HTML comments can also span multiple lines. Let us write a comment before the paragraph. This comment spans 3 lines. Everything between the opening and closing comment markers is part of the same comment. You can write a short single-line comment or a longer multi-line comment depending on what you need to explain. Also notice that in Visual Studio Code Light theme, the comments are colored green. Based on the theme of your IDE, a specific color shall be assigned to the comments. This can help us visually if we have written the comment syntax correctly. Another common use of HTML comments is temporarily hiding an element. Suppose we have a paragraph that does not contain meaningful content and we want to hide it. What do? We surround the paragraph with comment markers. When you refresh the browser, you may observe that the paragraph is not displayed. This is because we commented the paragraph. One important thing you should remember is that you should never nest your comments. For example, let us try to write a comment inside another comment. This is invalid, not good. The browser may interpret the comment incorrectly because HTML does not support one comment inside another comment. So, do not nest your comments. Comments can appear in most places inside an HTML document. For example, they can be placed inside the head element. We can add some comment about title. They can also be placed inside the body. We already have some comments here. However, comments should not be placed inside an HTML tag. For example, let us try to add a comment in the start tag of the heading 1. This is incorrect. We can place the comment before or after the element instead. It is also important to understand that HTML comments are hidden from the visible page, but they are not private. Anyone can open the page source or browser developer tools and read the comments. See this, we are able to see whole original HTML content in the browser at client side. So, comments are not a safe place to place passwords, API keys or such. Comments are there just to give some useful understanding. That is how HTML comments work. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials.